What is a discectomy? Often you hear of people who have a slipped disc or herniated disc. The disc is made up of a hard outer ring, like layers of a tree, like wrapped layers of canvas, surrounding the nucleus, which is the soft inner core. Looks just like crab meat when we go to surgery. When that ring tears, disc material can herniate out or protrude. If it pinches a nerve and it doesn't get better on its own, sometimes you need a discectomy. We remove that piece that's pinching the nerve and any other loose pieces. Healing of a discectomy can take a little longer than a laminotomy or laminectomy because the disc has to heal, and discs heal very slowly, like ligaments. They can take about 6 to 8 weeks to heal. But discectomy surgery is very effective for pinched nerve pain in the neck or low back. Hope that helps you. Have a great day.